It's Steph, and the thing about me is I love doing my nails. I usually do gel polish, just something simple, add some glitter, dip powder, but I've never done nail art. And I want to get good at it because I have this toxic trait where I think I can do it in my mind, and then I do it, and the work is just not that good. But the only way to get good at it is with practice, and I've never done it before, and I want to give it a try. I really just want to have fun with it. I've always loved doing my nails. Now, all of the products that I am using today, I purchased on Amazon. I did do a haul for all of the products that I am using today. Now, let's get into it.
Before we get started, I do want to show you, here's my nails. We are doing an almond shaped nails. Now, I've never used these nails before, and I was wiping a counter and I accidentally hit my nail into the wall. Not hard, but it split it, and I just took it off like 10 minutes ago. So I'll do this nail later. I just don't have time right now. My son is napping. These are very thin nails. Before we get started, I'm gonna give my nails a quick little buff. I did already buff around my cuticles, but I forgot to do the whole nail bit. So we're just gonna give that a quick buff, remove the shine. And the nails I'm doing today inspired, I just seen on Instagram this morning. I had a different idea, but I seen these nails and I really want to do them because they're simple. It seems like something I can easily recreate, being that I'm a newbie. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I don't do designs. I'm usually a polish my nail and go type of gal, and the only way to get good is to try. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3 nails with the Beetles. It's B657. I don't know. It's like a peachy nude. I'm doing about 2 coats of this nude gel polish. I do it on 3 of my nails, and after each coat, I cure for about 90 seconds. Okay, so now let's try to make little French tips. This part I'm nervous about. I saw this hack on how to make a French tip. So first you start by making a T, and then after you make the T, you start on the part where you want your French tip to curve. And as you curve in, you just have it meet in the center of the T, and then you fill in the empty spaces of the French tip. Okay, I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm not good at French tips at all. Let me clean up my little edges first. Okay, so nail number 2. As I was curing my nails, I realized I didn't even use the base gel. So I'm gonna put that on. Let's try polishing my nail. Not great polish application. I'm gonna try to clean this up. All right, let's try it this way. I'm gonna try to put a bunch on my finger and then use the brush to paint it. There was a lesson learned here. I was actually putting way too much gel polish on. I didn't give enough time to cure it, and this whole layer was not cured, and I didn't catch it till later on. I'm gonna cure these nails real quick before I move on, just because it seemed like it needed more time to cure. This one was wrinkling. I'm gonna try to fix the orange lumpiness. I'm gonna file it down, but first I'm gonna get some alcohol. Okay, ran out of storage in my phone. Had to make some room real quick, but I'm filing down some of the nail and it does look a lot better, I do want to say. All right, there's this piece here that I need to fix. I don't know how that happened. This happened because there was a whole layer of uncured gel under the top layer, and as I was filing, crumbles of gel was coming off. Okay, let's cure that. Not bad so far. I'm gonna work on the outlines. Let's do the outline work because I think that's one I'm really nervous about. Off film, I did actually fix the gel, completely took it off, reapplied it to fix it, and then I also drew the little pumpkin outlines. And the black line work for the pumpkins, I really struggled with. I'm gonna see if there's a way I can scrape this off because I don't like the placement of that line. Let's try it again. Okay, that looks way better. Oh no. Why did my hand slide? Okay, my hand just like completely slipped. This is difficult. Not great, but also not hideous. All right, that's cure. That was stressful. I was holding my breath. This part is pretty easy. I'm just getting a black gel liner and drawing a outline along the French tip. Very simple. This part reminds me of Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas, the little stitches. I don't really have a rhyme or reason in the direction I'm going. I'm just gonna draw some X's, some lines in there, keep it very simple, and thinking of Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas while I'm doing these. Now the inspiration photo, she didn't show the thumb, so I decided to keep it simple, draw a jack-o'-lantern because my thumb is already orange. And in order to keep the nose and the eyes symmetrical, I outlined one portion of the triangle at a time. Being that this was actually coming out pretty sheer, I filled in the triangle, cured it, and then I did go in with a second layer as well and cure it. For the mouth, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm gonna just draw some zigzags, and every time that I draw a line upwards, I'm just gonna make it a little bit more higher each time so it'll go in a form of a smile and not be directly across the nail. For the ghost, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm getting a white gel liner and getting the dotting tool. I'm gonna draw a big circle as a guide for the head and two little dots as a guide for the arms. And I'm just drawing a simple little outline of a ghost body. And then once I get the little outline, I'm gonna completely fill it with white and cure it. Now time to do the cutest part. I'm gonna draw the ghost eye, so a little black gel liner, a dotting tool, draw some eyes, and the mouth, I kind of want it like a ghost face mouth, not a little small O, but drag it down a little bit to make it look more so like ghost face. And then I thought it'd be really cute having rosy cheeks, but I didn't want to get the pink, so I'm using the orange gel liner and drawing tiny little dots for the cheeks as well. And then I'm going to cure it. After I cure it, I'm getting a white gel liner and dotting in white pupils. I am struggling so much drawing these little stars. These little stars seem like it would be the easiest task ever, but for some reason when I draw it, it just looks exactly what it is. A dot and little lines, not even clean lines, squiggly lines around the little dots. I wiped this off and attempted this so many times. I could not get it right. If you have any tips, let me know, but I was struggling. I even tried to fix it a few times. I'm getting a black dotting tool and just dotting some little black dots in negative space, and I actually did the exact same thing on the ghost nail. I did black stars and some black dots in negative space as well. Time for top coat. I'm actually using the Beetles top coat, and I actually really like this. It's very shiny. I did 2 coats, and this is again my very first time I've ever done nail art. There's a lot of room for improvement, but I'm very happy with the outcome. I do have another Halloween nail art video coming up, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.